We live in a country where the truth has gone extinct. Lies have become our truth. The government have used their tyrannical power to influence the mind of the masses from speaking truth. The average citizen, media organizations have been threatened from stating the obvious. Instead, we comfort ourselves with lies, feed our delusions. Revolutionists, agitators for a better Nigeria are being silenced and prescribed a terror to the nation. Such an irony coming from a tyrannical government. Former Navy Commodore Olakunle Olawumi, with over 35 years in the military, has gone against all odds in spilling the beans pertaining some deep secrets about the Nigerian government. His words came as a shocker when he said he is not afraid to die during a live interview with Channels Television. He was quoted saying, "Right now, I don't care if I am eliminated." Olawumi dropped a bombshell on how some governors, senators, ministers are sponsors of Boko Haram. He stated that the federal government are not oblivious to this as they know themselves. It would interest you to know that many bureau de change operators are financiers of the deadly sect, yet we wonder how they acquired the sophisticated gadgets and vehicles. There's your answer. These Islamists have penetrated top hierarchies, and it is feared that there's little or nothing anyone could do about it. The government obviously loved the insecurity unrest ongoing in the country. Instead of offering solutions, they escalate it. The media has been infiltrated, mouths shut, the truth covered up on the pretext of hate speech. Commodore Olawumi during the interview revealed that the defense headquarters, DSS, all know the real devil behind the ongoing insecurity in Nigeria. He further went on to reveal that the aim of the government is to Islamize Nigeria. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share.